Hello everyone, it's Jennifer with ActivWall Systems, and today I'm here at our Martinsville, Virginia production facility and showroom. We're joined today virtually by a very special guest. We've got Zach Murtha, owner of Merge Windows and Doors in Mansfield, Texas.
Hello there.
Merge Windows and Doors is our authorized ActivWall dealer for the state of Texas. So our followers are probably familiar with the name Primo Windows and Doors.
Yes.
A brand new look and a brand new brand. Tell us about it.
Well, our company is 2.5 years old, and in that time frame, we've actually fallen into our identity. And what we found was the name Merge really lines up with what we are about as a whole. We represent multiple manufacturers. We work with customers who have ideas or dreams of grandeur of what they want their project to look like overall. And our job is to take their dreams, blend them with our products to come up with the perfect solution.
Zach, we understand that you have an exciting event happening this week, and we'd love to hear all about it.
Now that the rebranding is 100% complete, we wanted to celebrate that by inviting everybody across North Texas to come and experience our showroom firsthand. On Thursday, November the 16th, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., we have partnered with all of our manufacturers to come in and represent their locations within the showroom. Bring a friend to come and experience the showroom with us, come celebrate with us. Our manufacturers have done an amazing job of bringing gifts and items that we're going to give away. So a giveaway every 10 minutes throughout the course of this event. So have a lot of fun, have some great food. We've got a DJ for some great entertainment, and just we can connect and create relationships that will last for decades to come.
This facility that you've created in Mansfield, Texas truly is a place for homeowners and designers and builders to come and plan their dream home.
I was a builder myself for 16 years, and one of the challenges that I had was helping my homeowners understand how those lines on a page become a home. They want to touch and feel and experience before they make a purchase. And what I found when we got into windows and doors and began to sell those to our customers, the sell is so much easier when they have a chance to come in and experience that product, to move those panels back and forth and to operate it. It solidifies that this is the right product for their project. And so when we began to explore opening up a showroom to support the products we represent, we decided we were going to go big or go home. What's really cool about our showroom is we have an 8-foot wide by 4.5-foot tall gas truck window on display. We have your bifold windows. We have a pivot door. We just have everything that you could possibly want from a dreamy standpoint is on display in our showrooms. We've got the latest and greatest from all of our manufacturers.
We are just so excited for all the guests to come and to be able to not only see our products, but feel the quality and see the functionality of how these products will help enhance your home. So Zach, thank you so much for joining us today. We can't wait to come out and participate in the Merge grand opening and see your beautiful showroom and meet all of our friends in Texas. So for all our viewers in the Texas area who would like to come participate in your event, tell us one more time where they need to go.
Thursday, November the 16th, 1848 Lone Star Drive, Building 500. This event will go on from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So come hungry and come excited about meeting some great people and seeing some great products.
So on behalf of the team here at ActivWall, we would love to help open up your space. We look forward to meeting you at the Merge Showroom grand opening this week.